Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for wine and spirits business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, for example, you can start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your sites, and also you can go to basic setup. So uh, for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Now you can add your business type or your website type. You can type here wine and spirits, and now as you see, you can select your business type. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here, spirit store. Now you can enter your store name. Okay. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product or services? So this is depends on your product. And where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media or in person? So now let's continue to dashboard. Okay. Now you can go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template, so for me I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Okay, now you can enter your informations, your name, your business name, your email, your address and your phone, and also you can add a social link. Now you can pick a theme you like. Pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts, the size of the font. So this simple details is more important to make your site look attractive. So wait a few seconds. Now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. So I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now if you wanna add some pages in your sites, you can add them from here. You can skip all this and you can customize them later. Now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage designs. So now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. Here you can add elements, you can add sections, pages and menus, you can design the site. So first of all, if you want to add elements, you can start from here. So you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also, if you want to upload image or import images, you can explore images for free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Also here, if you want to customize the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons. Also, you can customize the decorative section. You can customize the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. And if you want to add something new, for example, you can just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add in your homepage. You can just select your style and your favorite one, your favorite layout design. So that's it. If you want to design your site, you can click here and customize the site design, the color theme, text theme, the page background, the page transitions. So that's it. Let's move on to the first section here, the header section. So you can do a quick edit. For example, if you want to change the site name, you can manage the horizontal menu. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. As you see here, you can customize and change the section in the background, the strip in the background. And also you can change the image right here. So that's it. If you want to change this text, for example, you can just click on it. Okay, and you can just describe. Wait a few seconds. So you can just describe what you want in your text, and it's gonna create it for you. If you want to change, for example, the color in the background, you can click here and click on the colors. Now you can select your favorite one. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So let's move on to the next section. So this is the product section. So here you have to create your product. So to do that, you can manage your products. Okay, now add new product. So you can select physical product or digital file, your type of your product. Now as you see, you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos. Also here you can add the product information, the name of your product, and the description. And also here you can customize the price and options. You can customize the price, and also if you want to turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Also here you can customize the product options. You can add options, and here you can manage the inventory and the shipping. So you can turn this on and customize the inventory and the shipping weight. So that's it. After you're done, you can just save this place and go back to complete design in the editor page. So as you see here, this is about section. If you want to change the AI text, just click here and create another one. So you can just select the type of the section. For example, this is about section, and you have to insert information to include here. After this, it's gonna create it for you. For example, you can make it shorter, and you can regenerate another one if you don't like it. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So this is the features section. So the same thing as normal. You can, for example, if you want to change the text, you can just click here, and you can change the style. Okay, and you can change the font. Select your favorite one. Okay, and you can change, for example, if you want to change this image right here, just click on it. And you can search whatever you like on the search. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Okay, so that's it. This is the last section here, the footer section. So you can just customize if you want to change your email, and you can add the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. And also you can save this editor page. So after, if you wanna publish, after this you can just click here and you're gonna publish your website, so you can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.